Assalamualaikum again. Peace to all again. Okay, today I'm going to discuss about an awesome miracle of the Quran. There are many prime patterns in the Quran, many kind of different prime pattern in the Quran, such as chapter 55 prime pattern, chapter 1 itself, Fatiha also have prime pattern, many yeah. Now one of them is chapter 29, the spider. Okay, the only two word spider of the Quran is they are only located inside chapter 29, the spider itself, verse number 41. Okay, so these are the only two word spider of the Quran, and they are also inside chapter 29, the spider. So it makes sense. Of course, the only word spider should be inside chapter 29, the spider. Okay, the verse is verse number 41. First we need to know that on the top left you can see the chapter and the verse, chapter 29 verse 41. So whenever in this is a Quran code software, if you want to download a Quran code software, you just browse the internet. Hopefully you still can get it very easily. So you just go to Google and key in Quran code 729139 7.29.139. Okay, Quran code space 7.29.139. I'm sure you'll definitely go find them. Okay, Quran code. There are many versions. If possible, try to download a few versions because okay. Let's talk about this again. The only spider verse of the Quran. So as you can see on the top left, it is chapter 29 Al-Ankabut, the spider, verse number 41. So these are the only verse with the two word spider of the Quran. The word spider itself will be the word Al-Ankabut. Okay, so first of all, originally I do not know about this. Then I discovered a video by brother Anis Dalga, his YouTube video discussing about the miracle of this spider verse, but mostly his pattern are based on number 8. Okay, based on number 8. So for example, if like from the very start of this verse until before the word spider, there are exactly 8 words. Okay, my mouse need to be changed, sorry. If someone can donate me. Okay, so you can see from the start of the verse to before the first word spider, there are 8 words, exactly 8 words. And likewise, if from the and then another of his the discovery from his video is that if from the word spider and until the next word spider, there will also be exactly 8 words. Okay. Oh, my mouse is in critical condition. Okay, I think there are a few more discovery based on most of his discovery is based on another person's finding. I think, but it's very exciting, very interesting also because it's based on. Okay, if you want to know more about it, you go to his website. With a YouTube video where I'll put the link. Okay. Anyway, so now my own discovery, I realized that if after the second word spider, okay, which is lao, the word lao, till the end of the verse, so actually this whole sentence, lau kanu ya'lamun, there are exactly 8 different letters. 8 different letters. Okay. And the total value, object value, is 320, or 8 times 50, I believe. 8 times 5. Okay. 320 is divided by 8. Okay, sorry. 320 divided by 8. 8 times 40, I'm sorry. So there are many pattern of 8. But of course, the most obvious one is from the very first word spider till the last word spider. There are exactly 8 words. Why is number 8 very interesting? Obviously 8 is interesting with regard to spider, because spiders should also be the only it's different. Spiders are totally different from regular insects, because regular insects have 6 legs. Most insects have 6 legs, while spider is special. It has 8 legs. Okay. I mean, 1000 years ago, anyone too can see that spiders have 8 legs. Okay, even children too can count that spider have 8 legs. So, and they are different from cockroach, ants, or whatever many insects that we can find. Okay, virtually all of them have 6 legs, and spider have 8 legs. Of course, I'm not talking about millipede or centipede. Okay, or scorpion. Scorpion and spider also have 8 legs. But the spider is special because they are among the very few creatures that have 8 legs. And the word spider, the only 2 words spider of the Quran, you can see here, they are also made up of exactly 8 different letters. Okay, you can see here 8 different letters, or 8 letters. You can say 8 letters. No, okay, not all words have 8 letters and 8 different letters. Some words have 8 letters but 7 different letters. Okay, or 6 different letters. Some words have so that means spider, the word spider have 8 letters and also 8 different letters at the same time. Okay, so it's interesting. And the 8th letter or 8 different letter is the letter ta. Okay, letter ta. Okay, the letter ta itself also has a value of 400. Okay, this is the abjad value. The letter ta indeed have a value of 400. Okay, you can see that when I highlight letter ta, okay, it shows 400. 400 is of course divisible by 8. Okay, but the fact is that the 8th letter of the word spider is the letter ta. Okay, the 8th letter or 8 different letter. The 8th or 8 different letter of the only 2 word spider of the Quran is the letter ta. So, the letter ta should be interesting with spider. Yes, there will be many sign, clear-cut sign. For example, this word itself will have exactly 8 letter ta. Okay, believe it or not, this will be the only verse of chapter 29, the spider. Chapter 29. Don't think that chapter 29 has a few verses. Chapter 29 has many verses, 69 verses in total. Okay, chapter 29, the spider has 69 verses in total, and only the spider verse, the verse that contains the word spider, have exactly 8 letter ta. This is very important. I want everybody to take note of this letter ta. Okay. So among the 69 verses of chapter 29 spider, only verse number 41 will have exactly 8 letter ta in total. Okay, this is exact 100% or nothing. And at the same time, this letter ta shall also be the 8 different letter used from the very start of this verse. So it means that if from the very start of this verse, I will highlight. Okay, the first letter is letter mim. Okay, letter mim. And then the second letter is second different letter is letter tha, followed by letter lam, then followed by letter alif, followed by letter lam again. So the lam is mentioned 2 times already. So that means up to this letter lam there are 4 different letters. That means mim, tha, lam, and alif. Okay, so go on, followed by the zal, ya, nun, alif, ta. Okay, once we reach this letter ta, okay, there will be 8 different letters used in total, exactly 8 different letters. So this will also be very interesting. Okay, first of all, this verse with the word spider, has exactly 8 letter ta in total. So let's count all the letter ta. Okay, this is the first letter ta at the word at-takhazu, and then the second letter ta is at-takhazat. Okay, and then baita. Okay, this one also have the letter ta. So that's what I mean. And then another one is the word spider itself, and this is the word spider is of course have the letter ta. Okay, so that's what I mean. Okay, so we can see that this word has letter ta, the first word one, and then the next word with letter ta is the word spider itself, and then the next word is at-takhazat, which has 2 letter ta. Okay, this word at-takhazat has 2 letter ta, and then the word baita has 1 letter ta, and then the word labaitu has 1 letter ta, and the last word, and the word al-ankabut will be the letter, this will be the last letter ta of this verse. So in total there are exactly 8 letter ta inside 7 different words. This will also be important. Take note, okay, of all the words in this verse that with the letter ta. Okay, so we already know that from the first word spider. Okay, I think I'm going to make another video. I'm not going to make it too long because it will be very difficult to load inside my to make a video. Okay, thank you. So we'll meet again at the next video regarding spider. But I hope you really understand about this verse. Thank you. See you there.